Hi there, this is Spencer with Xima Software. Today's tutorial is going to discuss a little bit about real-time wallboards, specifically the Agent Box widget. I'm going to produce a new wallboard by going here to New Wallboard, and then click Custom. We'll label this as Agent Box Widget, and click Apply. On the right-hand side, we have a list of widgets. The one we're talking about is Agent Box Widget, so I'll click that one. It'll produce it for me. I'll click on the box widget itself, and then of course, as the name implies, this is going to be an agent value. From the drop down, I'll go ahead and select Brianna Armstrong. It's going to produce the information for Brianna Armstrong as it exists by default. And that, of course, is the agent state, agent extension, agent picture. There's not a lot to customize here. So if you want to see more information for this agent, I would suggest another widget. All the same, let's talk about the design. If I go to design here, I can, of course, add in a background color. Let's go ahead and add in this yellowish, greenish color. Click confirm. Border radius, it's going to put a soft red around the widget itself. I'm not sure if you can see that with that color, but I'll show you here shortly what that looks like with border styles. There we go. Kind of makes that pop a little bit. So I have a little dotted border style there, but I can do dashed. I can do all these options you see here. Border color, let's add something to there. Let's do this one right here. Click confirm. And then, of course, font. Add that in like that. There we go. That is the Agent Box widget.